To change the default Google account, launch your Chrome. Then tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then go to settings. Then tap on your Google account, your Gmail account. Then scroll down. At the bottom you are going to see sign out. Tap on it. Then tap on sign in. Then on the drop down, tap on your Gmail account. Then you can choose the Google account that you want to set as default on your Chrome. So I'm going to set this one as default. Then now, as you can see, the Gmail account or the Google account has been changed to be default. Now if you go back to search, you are going to see at the top there, you are going to see the icon of your Google account. So that's how you can change the default Google account on Android phone. If you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.